Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make chili bread easy method. Preheat oven to 220 degrees C and prepare a large mixing bowl. Combine 500 grams flour, 10 grams salt, 7 grams instant yeast, and 300 milliliters warm water. Mix until shaggy, then knead for 8 to 10 minutes until smooth and elastic. Fold in roasted chili flakes and chopped peppers, shape into a loaf, and let it proof until doubled. Start with dry ingredients mixed evenly, then add water slowly while stirring to form a shaggy dough. Turn the dough onto a floured surface and knead for 8 to 10 minutes, or use a stand mixer with a dough hook for 6 to 8 minutes. When the dough is smooth and slightly tacky, incorporate your chili mix evenly. Rest the dough briefly before shaping to relax the gluten and improve oven spring. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more recipes and tips. Quick recommendation: try the new Kindle Paperwhite to read recipe notes anywhere and keep your kitchen counters clutter-free with a single lightweight device. I find it handy for following instructions without touching a greasy screen. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. After the first rise, gently deflate the dough and shape it into a tight loaf to preserve air pockets for a light crumb. Place the shaped loaf on parchment, score the top once or twice with a sharp blade, and let it proof until noticeably puffy. Bake at 220 degrees C with steam for the first 10 minutes, then reduce heat slightly and bake until the crust is deep golden and the interior reads 95 degrees C.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.